Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay in Europe. First, ensure your Apple device is ready. Open the Wallet app and add your preferred credit or debit cards. It's wise to confirm with your bank that these cards are enabled for international use and support Apple Pay transactions abroad. This simple preparation step will save you time and ensure smooth payments once you arrive, making your travel experience much more convenient. Using Apple Pay for purchases in Europe is incredibly straightforward. When you're ready to pay, simply look for the familiar Apple Pay logo or the universal contactless payment symbol at the terminal. Then, double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Authenticate your purchase quickly using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Hold your device near the reader, and a quick confirmation will signal a successful transaction, often taking just a few seconds. While Apple Pay is widely accepted, it's always smart to have a backup plan. Always carry a physical credit or debit card, as some older terminals might not support contactless payments. Also, be mindful of potential foreign transaction fees that your bank or card issuer might charge, which can be around 2 to 3% per transaction. Consider using a travel-specific card that offers zero foreign transaction fees to save money. Using Apple Pay offers numerous advantages for your European travels. Firstly, it provides enhanced security. Your actual card number is never stored on your device or shared with merchants, protecting your financial information. Secondly, the convenience is unmatched, allowing for quick, tap-and-go payments without fumbling for cards or cash. Finally, with millions of locations across Europe accepting contactless payments, you'll find it incredibly versatile and easy to use almost everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.